नमो नमः, नमस्कार, हेलो, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, वणक्कम. Welcome to our channel Nishi Say Learning and a very happy Independence Day to all. स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं सभी को. Today is National Festival. Today भारत, इंडिया और हिंदुस्तान, जो भी नाम से आप कहिए, it's celebrating its 75 years of independence. Hindustan, country of many dreams as well as sacrifices. From ancient civilization, Vedas, Yogas, Ayurveda, Ramayana, Mahabharata, story of independence, politics, cricket and much more. From agricultural, cultural backgrounds, we all are one. From east to west and north to south, we all are one. We all are under one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means whole earth is our family. So before beginning with my poem, which today I am going to present in front of you all, we will say Subhashit related to Bharat Mata. Ratnakara dhautapadam Himalaya kiritinim Brahmarajarshi ratnadhyam Vande Bharat Mataram Vande Bharat Mataram. Can say this is a Subhashit which is dedicated to Bharat Mata. It means that all the seas which are taking the blessings from the Bharat Mata, as well as there are many great sages as well as great kings who have born in our country. मी तुम्हाला अजून एक सुभाषित म्हणून दाखवणार आहे जे भारत मातेला म्हणा, आपल्या इंडियाला म्हणा आणि फ्रीडम फायटर्सना डेडिकेटेड झालेलं आहे. अत्र जन्म सहस्राणाम सहस्रैरपि सत्तम कदाचिल्लभते जंतुर्मानुष्यम पुण्य संचयात. याचाच अर्थ की हजारो जन्म आपण घेतले तरी पण आपले पुण्य कमी पडतील अशा इंडियामध्ये आपल्याला जन्म मिळायला. त्यामुळे आपण खूपच लकी आहोत की आपल्याला ह्या भारत देशामध्ये आपला जन्म झालेला आहे. तर आता मी तुम्हाला माझी कविता जी मी स्वतःहून लिहिलेली आहे ती मी तुम्हाला म्हणून दाखवते. माय पोएम नेम इज मेरा भारत. माझ्या कवितेचं नाव आहे मेरा भारत. इंडिया इज अ लँड ऑफ ड्रीम्स. इंडिया इज अ लँड ऑफ ड्रीम्स वेअर विजन 2020 इज नॉट ओनली इन ड्रीम्स. वेअर विजन 2020 इज नॉट ओनली इन ड्रीम्स. वेअर प्लास्टिक हैज बिकम एन इशू. वेअर प्लास्टिक हैज बिकम एन इशू. But Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is already issued. And Statue of Unity is world's tallest statue. Here rupee is not free. But public openly pay. Where 7 sisters are our pride. Where 7 sisters are our pride. And Vedas are our guide. Mahabharat, Ramayana, Gita are epics. Mahabharat, Ramayana, Gita are epics. Now Bollywood is all about biopic. Here it's all about variations. Still we all live in integration. Festivals are for celebration. Festivals are for celebration and thoughts are about liberation. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals and tiger is our national animal. Hockey is our national game but cricket is in men frame. Hockey is our national game and cricket is in men frame. Saints are our tradition. Saints are our tradition and law is about jurisdiction. Where Jhanki represents each state, and share market states economy rate. Red is for freedom. Red is for freedom. Ancient India was all about kingdom. Ancient India was all about kingdoms, where democracy is for, by and of the people, where democracy is for, by and of the people, and election is only for betterment of people. We must respect our constitution, and India must get rid of superstition and prostitution. And India must get rid of superstition and prostitution, where some believes in astrology and numerology, but everything is related to psychology, where forts shows us history, but many things are still in mystery, Jnaneshwari and Dasbodh are part of life. Jnaneshwari and Dasbodh are part of life, but many lives are in still search of light, and many lives are still in search of light. Tea, coffee, one-horn rhino, white Bengal tiger are stars, but poverty is also one part. Himalayas, Sahyadris, Aravallis, Nilgiris are top ranges. Himalayas, Sahyadris, Aravallis and Nilgiris are top ranges, but category of human races also changes, where yoga is peace of mind, then towards nature we must be kind. Aryabhatta, Nagarjun, Kanad, Shushruta were great inventors. Aryabhatta, Kanad, Shushruta, Nagarjun were great inventors. We must be proud. Zero we discovered. India Gate and Gateway of India are pride, and to be safe, happy and bride free is wish of every bride. And to be safe, happy and bride free is wish of every bride. Rain is farmer's hope. Rain is farmer's hope. Rain free of acid rape is every girl's last hope. Rain free of acid rape is every girl's last hope. Jalesh Manikarnika is our boat. Jalesh Manikarnika is our boat. We have reached Mars, but some are still living with those scars. We have reached Mars, but some are still living with those scars. From north to south, we are on one couch. From north to south, we are on one couch. From east to west, we all are best. From east to west, we all are best. Navy, Army, Aviation, all belongs to my nation. Navy, Army, Aviation, all belongs to my nation. To make my nation proud is only my mission. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan is the only narration. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan is the only narration. I hope you like my poem Mera Bharat. So please celebrate Independence Day. Make your nation proud. Keep cleanliness in your area, in your home as well. Thank you so much for listening to my poem. Do like, share and subscribe our channel Nishi Se Learning for such videos. Also our channel Sadhana Art Education is for art. Do visit that channel, do like that channel. Till that, Jayatu Sanskritam, Jayatu Bharatam. Jai Hind.